In this tutorial, we'll learn how to do brown, smoky, white, glittering eye look. Very easy. I'm using brushes from Electomania. They're very good for beginners. Please remember the brush numbers. This is Maybelline concealer in the medium shade. Apply on the lower eyebrow line to sharpen the lower eyebrow line. I'm using a sponge applicator. You can even use flat brush, but I prefer sponge applicator because they are easily movable. Apply the concealer on the eye. Disperse the concealer using brush number 1. Use Faces Canada compact powder to settle the concealer. I'm using Europe Girl palette. Pick the brown eyeshadow from the palette and use brush number 2 and begin applying the eyeshadow on the crease area. Move the brush back and forth, back and forth. Move the brush back and forth in this direction. Use this dark brown eyeshadow from the palette. I'm using the same palette. I'm not changing the palette. Apply this brown eyeshadow using brush number 3. It's a flat brush. Do not cross your crease line. Use the brush number 2 back again to blend both the colors well. The harsh line should not be visible of the dark brown. Take time here. Use brush number 4 to outline before applying the white wet eyeshadow. I'm using concealer to outline. Now pick the wet white eyeshadow from the palette and apply on top of the concealer. Pick the wet eyeshadow from the palette. It is in the middle, not the one at the top because it is dry. Apply wet eyeshadow because it's very glittering and it will give a very beautiful look. I'm applying this eyeshadow using brush number 5. Pull the wet eyeshadow towards the matte eyeshadow to blend it with the matte eyeshadow. Do same here. Enhance your brow bone with the wet eyeshadow. This is Maybelline Colossal liner. I'm creating a minimal wing liner. Pull it inwards. Now fill. This is white kajal. Links to the products are shared in the description. Please check out. Apply the concealer and clear the excess. I'm using a sponge applicator. I'm using Swiss Beauty 3D Vamp lashes. Make the lashes with Hypercurl mascara, lower lashes now. And we are done. Please hit the subscribe button if you like the tutorial. Thanks for watching.